Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a new pair of shoes that came in from Acme. And before we actually get to the unboxing, let's take a look at this box that they sent me. Just absolutely beautiful. They have nice little corners that they did on it. All the way around. It has the patch with my name. Nice hinges. And then we open it. It has their logo on the inside. And then here are the shoes. Now, obviously, we're here to look at and talk about shoes. So let's take a look at what's in the box. And I posted a bunch of work in progress pictures of these, so they shouldn't be a surprise. But this is a reverse Adelaide. And I thought that this design would look good. And I saw that they did a reverse swan neck for another customer, so I asked them to do this for me, and I am super excited at what this is. So this is a reverse stitch in this museum calf, this brown/burgundy museum calf, and they did a nice job so you can see it. Now, when other shoemakers do this type of thing, instead of doing a reverse skin stitch like this, what they'll do is they'll actually etch the pattern in the shoe. Now, I did not do anything on the counter. I just wanted it to be the Adelaide here and there. So it really has the appearance of a hole cut and yet has the distinctive area of an Adelaide as well. Now, how does this compare to a similar style where you just punch the broguing into the hole cut? So let's take a look. Here we have it, where it's punched in, but here it's skin stitched. Now, both are interesting designs. Both are beautiful shoes, but this is immeasurably more difficult to make for the maker, especially to make it look this good. And this is why we work with companies like Acme, because they're willing to take on these type of projects. Now, the sole work, as always, they do beautiful 180-degree hand stitch. This blind welt here, very, very tight. They just did a really nice job with it. And of course, a beautiful pitch on the heels. Not too much, but very, very elegant. So that net, this shoe has one of the most elegant silhouettes out there. Now, I did this on a chisel last, which is a different last than my other Acmes, so that it would have a nice, different look to it. So if I look and I bring them out, this is my hole cut, and you can see the difference. This has got a little wider tip, different toe for sure, right? And then you look at this one, that's a little different still. It's more similar. You can see the difference on there as well. So very happy with the way they turned out. Extremely happy with Acme as always. It's a beautiful box, and it is just absolutely gorgeous shoes. You know, well matched and very nice addition for a handmade shoe. So now, this is not an inexpensive proposition. You know, you start asking shoemakers that are already quite expensive to do something like a new pattern, a new type of making, and you do it on the intricate side of an MTO program like this, and you are looking at an investment of at least a couple grand. Now, they didn't charge me extra for some slight adjustments to the shoe, which was very generous of them, and I'm very grateful for that. So just really they did a phenomenal job. So very grateful to them. They did a great job. Can't wait to get them on the hoof and get them underwear.